Every year, drivers worry about getting fines and being put out of service due to Blitz Week. Let's talk about what that is and how to be prepared. The CVSA International Road Check, or Blitz Week,
and we are underway,
is a high-capacity inspection initiative that runs May 14th to the 16th. During that time and the week leading up to it, you can expect a higher chance of getting inspected. This year, the focus is on tractor protection systems and alcohol and controlled substance possession. Even though the focus is on these two areas, be prepared to have any and all aspects of your truck inspected. To be prepared for Blitz Week, follow these 3 tips. Number 1, get your truck inspected early. Number 2, spend a little extra time on those pre and post-trip inspections. And number 3, prepare for delays during Blitz Week. So trip planning is key. Let's go over what an inspection will look like. First, the officer is going to ask you for your license and documentation, so make sure you have that in the cab ready to prepare. Remember to stay calm and listen to the instruction of the officer. For example, do not take your seatbelt off before he instructs you to. That could end up in a violation. On a level 1 inspection, the officer will usually start on the outside of the truck, work their way back, and then come back into the in-cab part of the inspection. The most common violation that we see are, of course, lights, tires, and brakes. But make sure you're checking all components on your tractor and trailer. To check the tractor protection system, the officer may have you come up and take your glad hands off of the trailer. The officer is checking to make sure that the valves close and the air stops flowing. The officer will go back and make sure that the emergency brakes activated as they should. When you disconnect the glad hand from the trailer, the tractor air supply valve in the cab will pop out and activate the spring brakes. The second focus area of the Blitz is alcohol and controlled substance possession. Remember that it is unlawful to have any alcohol or drugs in your vehicle without a bill of lading. For more tips, click the link in the description below and have a safe and violation-free Blitz Week.